let's go guys. We're going to try to do this. I know we can do this. And nothing is impossible with me even though we just practice na. O, diba? As you can see naman, diba? May sulat pa ako niyan, na? Pero but, feels so good. It feels like nagdadrive lang din ako ng parang 4x4 but everything is fine. So, yeah, let's just enjoy and mahaba ba ito yung natin ginagawa ng ride on rather than yung isang lang ba, parang tulad. But so far, it's enjoyable para sa akin na nag-i-enjoy ako. And at the same time, you're cutting the grass. But, something that we learn again. Para ka lang din nagdadrive na lang. Minsan mo hindi ka guys tapos yun, mag-breaks din naman siya nailaan mo lang sa paa mo and at the same time ganun din naman yung pagpipedal mo for to go o kung kailangan mo siya magpapabilis siya o hindi ganun lang so it's a learning process pero alam mo yung feeling masaya kasi sandali mo lang talaga siyang matututunan and everything like that. And at the same time, we're having fun na habang nag-ano ka ng grass and everything like that. So, yun guys, ganun lang po siya. So, tara na, enjoy na lang tayo ng ganito and at the same time, that's how we do in cutting the grasses here dito sa Canada. Thanks for watching. Till next time.